Hey everybody, Conscious of Economics and Urban Farm Project, Bridget Lynn Dolgoff. Anyway, so I'm pretty much done cleaning up the garden bed. And a lot of the stuff I'm going to leave is mulch. Mulch is good. Turns dirt into soil, and it turns sand into dirt, and then into soil. So anyway, it's been pretty cold here, so all the water's been turned off. And so you can see that I've kind of hand watered the lettuce because the prickly lettuce refuses to stop growing. So I will honor it and take care of it. And even more, I cut a whole bunch of it so that I could eat it this week because we had a deep freeze or a hard freeze. And look, you can even see, you could see that one right there, and you could see it actually growing back, right? So, you want to look for miracles. Even the kale hasn't really, a couple of the kales have kind of went a little limpster, but the lettuce is hanging in there, so I'm going to take care of it as long as it wants to grow, and that's that. So now I'll probably have to water it just probably like, I don't know, like every, 4 or 5 days. And then go from there. So yeah, people want to see miracles. You should grow a garden and you will see things that defy science. All right, over and out. Oh, I wanted to show you so we got all these birds coming in and they've almost demolished all of the seeds. So that's all we have left. And there's a few on the ground, but I saw a beautiful, it's part of the woodpecker family. I forget what it's called. And it's, oh look, there's a little teeny guy on the fence there. See him? He's kind of green. Yes, coolest birds. But the ones in particular are this, it's a ground woodpecker. It was so beautiful. Dark brown chest. And the rest of it, the head was jet black, the back was jet black, the wings were jet black with white, spots. It was fantastic. And then I saw what looks like a gray cardinal. He has like the little cardinal top, and he's a little bit smaller than a cardinal, and he's solid gray charcoal. Beautiful. Beautiful. So anyway, that is the last update, I think, that we have. And for cleaning up the winter fall bed. All right. Over and out.